How to remove link previews on Discord. So as you can see, there is a preview here, but once I put the link, which is youtube.com, and there's a preview right here. If you want to remove that, you just need to type in these symbols, the less than symbol and greater than symbol, just like so. So you need to put those symbols on both ends of your link, and once you're done with that, you just need to enter. So as you can see, the embedded preview is now gone, and once your preview, like you forgot, for example, you forgot to put the symbols on both ends here on the link, you just hover to the embedded preview right there and just click on the X button to remove it, to remove all embeds. But if you want for a particular channel to like not preview or remove the embeds, you just need to click on edit channel right there. Go to permissions here on everyone. Scroll down till you see embed links right here. So you could just exit that out, save changes. So make sure it is set to this one. And once you're done with that, you are good to go.